Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a short like top creator by using Ssmble.com. This is the AI that you can use to as a short maker. Video here. You can upload to Pro, but you can try the free one. You can create your account first. And here we are. You can copy your YouTube, or you can copy the short URL. For example, this one. Let's copy video URL and paste here. But if you have your own file, you can drag it MOV or this one. Here, the video is generated. For example, let's try this one, karaoke template. And get short here. So this is for example. Or you can use this or simple here. And so on. Feel free to try. This is Ssmble.com. Thank you for watching. And also click the button below. See you in the next video.